players in different competitions, but they'll be fine. Them the guys I'm not worried about. Otto has showed a lot of improvement from last year to right now. He just got to get out there and play basketball. So them two guys, Glenn gonna do what Glenn does. I think Glenn had a solid summer league last year. Otto got injured, so it's about them two guys right now for us. We want to see what can they bring to the table, but it's not about how many points they scoring. I just want Otto and Glenn just have a good rhythm the whole week.
For a lot of these guys, I mean, summer league is completely different anyway than a regular game. For Glenn, he just said basically the only thing you want to do is you don't want to play badly.
Yeah, you just want to, and both won't. They won't. They have enough experience that they understand what it takes to be successful in this league. And I think both of them are looking forward to it, so that's the good thing about it.
Is it important for Otto in particular to take on, not just play well, but take on a little more of a leadership role, be vocal, be the leader, because he is, maybe arguably the leader at this point?
Otto just got to be Otto. That's all I'm asking Otto to be. If he's not a guy who screaming directions and doing this and doing that, that's fine. I just want him to be Otto Porter. Be Otto Porter that this team drafted, this guy drafted, this team drafted, and he'll be fine. He's not my concern.
You said he's improved since last season. In what ways have you seen that improvement?
Just his awareness of the game of basketball, the professional game of basketball. It's different from college to the pros. He understands that he's not getting the ball all the time during the regular season last season, but this year, this summer, he'll get the ball. He have his chances to do what he's supposed to do.
He said that you've told him to, get the rebound and just push it.
Yeah, no doubt about it.
And handle the ball a lot more.
No
not
doubt
just
about
wait
it.
for somebody to get it to him.
No.
Why did you feel like he needed to hear that?
Just anything you can give a guy confidence helps, and I think that the more you give him, the more positive things you give him, the better he'll be.
You said you weren't worried about Otto and Glenn heading into summer league. What are your impressions on some of the other guards on the roster?
Oh, they're gonna play hard. We're gonna compete. Our team, our guys gonna compete. I'll make sure of that. But they'll be fine. They just gotta play together. We do it together as a team. We should have some success.
As far as Daniel Orton goes, the most experienced player on the roster, how have you seen him? How's he been performing, and in terms of play and in terms of leadership on the floor?
Well, he's just playing basketball right now. He's just trying to get used to how we played it in Washington. So once he gets that part down, he'll be fine. I'm not worried about Daniel either. You just go play the game of basketball. I think you guys put so much pressure on these guys. They got to perform well. And, just be who you are. I'm not expecting him to come out and score 25 points and 15 rebounds. I would like to see that now, but I'm not expecting that.
Khem Birch and Deonte Burton were two guys who were talked about possibly getting picked in the second round if they want to draft officer. What have you seen out of them so far?
Both of them guys understand what it takes. Just find the right niche and the right situation. They have the opportunity to show what they can do in the summer league, it's only a matter of time right now.
Is it odd to have Al Harrington as one of the assistants?
No, not at all. He'll be fine. He's just learning how it feels to be a coach now. So he understands the early meetings, getting here early, leaving late. So he understands that.
Different from being a player. I mean, you had to make the transfer from a player to a coach.
No doubt about it.
As a teammate, guys listen to you as a coach. Sometimes they might not. What was it like for you going through that?
I got in. I got in where I fit in at. I just pick my time and situations to say something to guys. I wasn't a guy who just everything I saw. I had to comment on it. I just sat back and picked the right situation to say what I had to say to him.
Does running this team mean anything special for you? It's just part of the job.
Everything is special when you got an opportunity to be a coach in this league. Just opportunity for me to coach the ball club. I've been doing it 5 years, so it's not nothing new.
Right.
I'm good.
Okay. Do you get the impression that Otto feel like he has something to prove here?
He should. I hope so. I don't know how Otto feel. I think that he feels that way. He should feel that way. But if he want to get playing time next year, he should feel that way. But he'll be fine. Otto will be fine.